A common request that I get from clients is, yeah, this is great, but we also need a place to put all of our standard operating procedures. Now, there's already one wiki within the PM dashboard, and that's the SOPs for how you use the PM dashboard. This is the internal documentation of how to use the PMF effectively. There is also a sample intranet in here. Now, the content is going to be mostly irrelevant, and this is actually the same wiki that comes out of the box from Notion as an example that you can customize and do whatever you want for your organization. The key thing that differentiates a wiki from a standard set of pages is this part up here, where home, this is a page layout. You can put anything where you want, or you can look at the pages below here by showing all of the pages, and this will show you every single page that from here down in the hierarchy. Also, as a wiki, you have the ability to set verification dates. So, for example, if you have a policy or something that relates to compliance, and you know that you need to look at something every 3 months to make sure that it's current, you can put a verification, also known as an expiration date, after which data on this page might not be current. And you can assign the owner who is responsible for a page and manage anything you want for your corporate intranet. And because any of these individual pages are still within Notion, you also have the ability to link to anything you want. So for example, I'm just making this one up as I go as part of vacation policy.
Yep.
And
Nice.
this is an inbound link to any other page within your PMFN. If you need in the intranet, there's a couple predefined filters, my pages being the ones that I created. Well, of course, it's going to show all of them, but you can create additional filters of your pages as you want, and you can tag any of your pages. This is kind of like hashtags on internet. So by putting tags on a particular page, I think we covered tags earlier, it's another way to find whatever it is that you're looking for.
Question.
Mm-hmm.
Employee cards. Would this be the spot where we would have team member profiles? Here's what time zone they work in. Here's their email. Here's their picture. So if I'm thinking intranet.
Already under the hood is a facility for managing who are the staff who are working within your organization. But we didn't have a page for surfacing the staff so people can look at the staff and find out additional information. So literally, while we were on the call, in about 6 minutes, I created a page for our team where you can have all of the members of your team here. You can give images and choose what information you want to make visible about them. So the public facing our team, in addition to the intranet, are both examples of how simple it is to customize this thing, as well as how extensible this is. So on top of your centralized system for managing your projects, your clients, your tasks, your notes, we can also manage your SOPs, your internal procedures, how you do things inside, and make it serve more of an intranet as well. So you asked about a page for preferred vendors. That's absolutely something that many companies are going to want as part of an intranet. Because this is built on Notion, it is relatively easy to either add that here, or it can exist somewhere else in Notion. It doesn't have to be under the project management framework. So that's really a matter of personal preference. So for everything that we've been doing in the PMFN, exists here under the PM dashboard. But if I close this down, you have the entirety of your individual Notion system available to you within Notion on the sidebar. What we're focusing on here are the elements of it for managing your projects.